Hey guys, it's Karla and we are here doing a little home tour where we're gonna look at some art. We're gonna take you kind of room by room in the progress of this gorgeous home, and then we're gonna talk about handles. We're gonna talk about handles, so stay tuned on that. Yeah, it works going all the way up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it totally does.
Totally. The backsplash was the inspiration for the whole house, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. With the gold underneath too.
I know.
Those are
Pops
gold,
of
like
black have really
yeah. And once it's in here,
chairs.
yeah. It just like grounds it, right? That wood tone is perfect. I think it looks so good. So
There's
once
no
we chose
yellow.
that tile, then we chose this tile, which is the same, well, it's basically like the same colors, really, tones of it. The gold faucet looks so good. You have to imagine a mirror and a sconce.
And black tiles got like
see, right? When you see the black, you're like, boom. Yeah, open it all the way in.
sure.
Oh no, I haven't done it.
Isn't that beautiful? So stunning. Oh, we're choosing handles for all the kitchen cabinets based on size. So they're all gonna be the same style. They're all gonna be gold like this, but we're just testing the size of it out to know which ones to order. So, which seems really simple, but it's not. Okay, but we'll go with the three biggest. Bigger is usually better, right? But let's see. So okay, so these ones. Is that scale to you? I mean, because it's so tall.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Comparison to this. Like this works though, right? That's
Yeah,
on the bottom
that
of
was
the
when I
note.
was reading online. Everyone was saying everything works.
Everything works. Like
Yeah.
it's smaller. I see what you're saying, but you might be saying that too because it's not gold. It seems so easy. Okay, I'm thinking this size. Okay, the second to biggest. Long. But so do we want to go one size smaller for where's the gold?
For the smaller
For the
cabinet.
smaller cabinet. Either way would be fine. I kind of think the smaller though. Do you hold it? Yeah.
I think so. So I'm
Do you
gonna
think?
call
I
it
think the
ABC,
smaller.
So
So this is the
C.
third
C.
smallest.
Okay.
Yes. So
Third here.
anything that is this size.
Saying that? It's 3 inches different in size, but I think so. What do you think? That one looks too big, right?
Feels like it's too big.
It's way too big.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. These could be the same. I maybe keep these all consistent.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause it's
Right?
big enough,
Because it's
right?
all the down
Yeah.
there, so I do all those
Yeah.
consistent.
Okay, I did that.
Okay, phew, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
That looks good scale, do you think? I think that looks good scale. The other one would be too big, this
Yeah.
this one.
But I think it might be good on
But
the
I
one
think it'd be
beside
good for
it.
the other one, yeah. So I
Okay.
think this for these.
So that is B, right?
That is B. So basically we're going, this is what I'm learning. We're going with the three biggest, really,
Yeah.
right? I mean, we're not gonna go smaller than that. Okay, so that would be for all of these. And there's really no rhyme or reason. You could do, I mean, a lot of people do smaller handles on big cabinets. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. There is more to come. There are more details. There are more things to learn. So if you liked it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the video, and hop on over to karladreyerdesign.com and make sure to take my style quiz to find out your personal design style. Thanks guys, see you next time.